Morning everyone. I'm Miss Varsha. Today I'm going to say a few words about causes of air pollution. The causes of air pollution are transportation services, industries, deforestation, agriculture activities, radioactive materials, wars, accidents in the industries, natural reasons. These are the reasons of air pollution. Firstly, we talk about transportation services. In our modern schedule, we are using cars, buses, autos, trains, etc. for our transportation purpose. The fuels used for running these vehicles are kerosene, diesel, petrol, etc. During the combustion of these fuels, large amount of poisonous gases are liberated into the atmosphere. Hence, the air is getting polluted. The next one is industries. The products or the materials produced from the industries are in large number. We are using the machinery parts, vehicle parts, domestic goods, medicines, etc. All these are manufactured in industries. When they are manufactured in industries, some pollutants are released into the atmosphere. In addition to all these pollutants, the smoke coming out from these industries may contain dust, carbon, metals, etc. It causes air pollution and pollutant to the surroundings. And the next one is deforestation. We all know that cutting of trees or plants is called deforestation. Green plants absorbs carbon dioxide and produces oxygen which we breathe in. In result of cutting more plants, the carbon dioxide rate also increases in the atmosphere, which causes the global warming. The next one is agriculture activities. Nowadays, farmers are using more pesticides or insecticides in the agriculture process. Some of these poisonous chemicals spread into the atmosphere causes the air pollution. And the next one is radioactive materials. Radioactive rays coming out from the nuclear explosions pollute the atmosphere. The nuclear explosions are more hazardous to living organisms. Wars. When the war is broken out between any two places or a war is broken out at any place, they use huge number of weapons which are more toxic chemicals such as guns, bombs or different chemical weapons which are hazardous to the air, and it causes air pollution. Accidents or errors in industries. Sometimes, due to the human errors or due to the defective methods from the industries, some chemicals are released into the atmosphere which are hazardous to the organism. For example, in the Bhopal city, methyl isocate liberated from the Union factory and killed 3,000 people, and more than 50,000 people were affected severely. Such a horrible situation it was. 50,000 people were affected severely and 3,000 of the population were killed due to the human errors or the defective methods from the industries. So when we are working in the industries, we need to be careful that no chemicals are released into the atmosphere. And the next one is natural reasons. Volcanic eruptions releases poisonous gases. When the volcano eruption takes place, they release a poisonous gases into the atmosphere. And the next one is forest fires, pollen greens, decay of vegetable matter, dust and sandstorm, bacteria, fungus or virus, etc. These all also cause air pollution. I hope you all understood about the air pollution and what are the reasons for the air pollution. We know the reasons for the air pollution, so we try to reduce the usage of those things which pollute the air, and we start including the conserving methods to save our air and to save our lives. Because of the air pollution, our lifestyle or our life getting into the trouble. Thank you for this opportunity, and we need to save our air because we live in the atmosphere, we live in on the nature, because it is our responsibility to save air, save our life.